Hey y'all, Ivan Rosenberg here, and I'm looking forward to teaching an upcoming workshop series for Nashville Acoustic Camps called Clawhammer Banjo Basic Technique Intensive. This workshop series is for everyone from beginners who just bought their first banjo yesterday to experienced players who are unsatisfied with their technique. We're going to train our hands to strike clean notes on all strings with a real focus on the inside strings 2, 3, and 4, where most players have trouble getting good tone, volume, and accuracy. We'll learn and refine double thumbing technique and look at a few ways of doing the bum-ditty rhythm. All the while, we'll be refining our hands, fingers, fingernails, arms, and banjo hold to optimize our sound and consistency. I even have games and prizes planned to encourage you all to practice fundamentals sufficiently. We'll eventually move on to a couple of songs and drop them. I'll hold some office hours to check in with anyone who has questions or needs help, and if you still need attention after that, I'll find time for more office hours or even short one-on-one sessions. Our motto for this workshop is no claw left behind. Check the written description for more details, and don't hesitate to email me if you have any questions. Hope to see you there.